What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today we'll be working on the BMW 335i N54 platform. What I wanted to do is to replace this oil filter cap with a aluminum oil filter cap. So as you clearly can see, it's made of plastic, and it's just like the valve cover where I replaced as well. If you're interested in this video, for that video, I'll leave the link for you to see. But I also went ahead and replaced this for aluminum. Now this is more of an experimental, mainly because this was was really like cheap valve cover, and I want to see how long it lasts. Maybe it's worth the money, maybe it's not. For this particular thing, I know I definitely wanted to change this for a aluminum oil filter cap. So as you can see, this car, like most modern cars today, a lot of stuff are made of plastic. I always think that having certain aluminum parts tends to last longer comparing to plastic, especially for the condition of this car as an older vehicle. These things are going to give out eventually, so I might as well upgrade. And at the same time, this is a modified car, so I don't know the numbers based on horsepower, but I know this is producing a decent amount. I definitely want to take this to dyno to see how much it's really making, but there are a lot of things I want to take care of before I really push this car to the limit. But we could talk about that in the next video. So here it is, the new part. So this is the aluminum oil filter cap, as well as this part is right here. I went full aluminum with this. There are some options where you can just get the cap alone and you have to reuse the plastic version for this, but I prefer to have everything aluminum. As you can see, it also came with new O-rings, which is good. And even if it doesn't, I'll recommend you get some new ones. Do not use the old ones from the old car. So before I start, I want to say thank you so much guys for watching. If you were interested in more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, you need to go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have anything you want to share with me, hit that comment section and I'll reply to you guys as soon as I can. But now, let's go ahead and replace this. I already changed the oil in this car recently. But if I could do it again, I recommend you guys go ahead and change the oil and then you had the process of changing the whole cap and everything. But because we changed the oil recently, we don't have to do that. So to remove the oil filter, you do need a oil filter tool remover. Get this online. I'll leave a link if you're interested, if you don't have one of these. But definitely recommend you get one of these. These are very useful and easy to take off. If you use something different, something that's not specifically for these kind of filters, for plastic, you're going to strip it, and same thing for these aluminums. You don't want that, so definitely want one of these suckers. Kind of hard doing it one hand, but we get it done. So this is the oil filter, and this is the oil filter housing. As you can see, this is the older one, this is a new one. So it's not that hard to install. These little holes right here, you're trying to line it up towards these little, like they're almost like claws. So you want to line it up just enough, and then you kind of want to apply pressure. So like I said, it's another tough one to do with one hand, but I'm gonna try and knock that out real quick. Right, so it took a lot of effort, it took a little effort, but I finally got it in. So it's locked in, as you can see, it's locked in place. Like I mentioned, it already has some O-rings on it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lube it up just a tad bit so it doesn't pinch. Anyways, so we got this put together. As you can see, If you compare it to the stock one, it looks practically identical. So yeah. Comparing to the both, when I picked the plastic one up, it's lighter than the aluminum, which I'm not surprised. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this filter back in and kind of press it down nice and snug. So once we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall it back to the car. So let's do that. So just like the way you took it out, put it back in and test the threads. It's pretty simple. Don't feel any, feels good. Doesn't feel any you know, friction, no issues like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the tool and tighten it up. So there we go. Aluminum's a little bit tight, but let's get it. So one more snug. That's good. The oil filter cap looks pretty good. It actually looks like it belongs with the oil cooler, and I just like the full finish of an aluminum setup, and yeah, I'm happy with it. It's quick, easy, simple, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.